Alright, so if your PC suddenly freezes, stops responding, or you get stuck on one screen, it's usually not random. In Windows 11, freezing is often caused by overloaded memory, background apps, or system glitches. So in 2026, let's go step by step and fix Windows freezing issues properly. First, if your PC is frozen, do a force restart. Hold the power button till it shuts down, then turn it back on. Once it restarts, open Task Manager. Check which apps are using too much CPU, memory, or disk. Now close any heavy apps running in the background. These are often the main reason for freezing. Next, go to the Startup tab and disable unnecessary apps. Too many startup apps overload your system right away. If your RAM or storage is full, freezing becomes more common. Delete unused files and close memory-heavy programs. Now run the built-in troubleshooter. It can detect and fix system performance issues automatically. Viruses or malware can cause random freezing too. Run a full security scan to make sure your system is clean. Make sure your system is fully updated. Outdated drivers are a common cause of freezing problems. Too many background services can overload your system. Disable anything unnecessary running quietly in the background. Finally, restart your PC again. After reboot, your system should feel much more stable and responsive. So yeah, that's how to fix Windows freezing issues in 2026. A few smart fixes and your PC runs smooth without sudden freezes or crashes.